Welcome to another Grabbing Gears video. This is going to be another video on my 2015 F250. This one's going to be showcasing the leveling kit that I just had installed, and I hope y'all enjoy. It's the silver black. And there, it's a 2.5 inch leveling kit. By Rough Country. Thanks for watching another Grabbing Gears video. I hope y'all enjoyed the leveling kit, and I'm sure some of y'all noticed some of the other modifications that are done to the truck that are new from the last time y'all have seen it. Those videos will be coming out shortly. We're just trying to put them all together.